Hello, welcome back to the Happy Hut. Thanks for clicking on this. Today I'm unboxing this, the BREVILLE Impressions 4-slice toaster in black. So this is what you get inside the box. I'm just opening it up. We bought this from John Lewis here in the UK. We went for the black one. I think they do it in cream as well, but that looks a bit too granny for us. So we went for a Mickey Rourke style black. There we go. I have to do this one hand because I'm holding the camera at the same time, so I'm not being very delicate with it. So it's robust. Comes in a bag. So the top is chrome. Hello. And this is what the side looks like. This is why I wanted to make the video, because you can't really see it online what it actually looks like. It wasn't clear on the website what the controls do. So you have 3 settings. I guess that's defrost, that's to pop up early, and that one is just for warming. And you've got a brown scale that goes all the way up to 9, and I guess that scale controls both 1 and 2. They're labelled 1 and 2, right to left, and I think you can probably lift just a little bit. It doesn't lift that much at the top if you want to pop up your crumpets or tiny bread. It's a view of the back. It's kind of ridged. It's got like a 3-dimensional ridge pattern. You can probably see my reflection. Hello. And the handles, they're plastic, but they feel fairly sturdy. This is all plastic. The slider is plastic as well. And then there are 2 crumb trays in here at the back. So I guess that would be handy for trying to retrieve a jammed slice. So to show you the toaster in action, I've got 2 frozen brown and 2 frozen rye bread, just to really push it to the limit. Live dangerously, eh? And then I'm going to push this up to 5, and I suppose you press the frozen when it's down. So we'll put 1 down and 2 down, and I'll hit the frozen button on. You see the pop-up button comes up as soon as it goes on, so you know when it's on. I'll just show you what that looks like. So I'll put them down again. Oh, look at that. It makes you do 1 and 2 first. And then 3 and 4. And then, as we thought, these controls control both of them, but that slot won't work until you put that one down. I'll put it on frozen. And the other thing it said is that it's got a lift and look feature. So while it's toasting, you can lift it up to have a look, and it doesn't cancel the toasting, so it stays warm. That's quite useful. We've probably had that all the time on the old one and didn't know it. And this is what it looks like inside the toaster. I hope I don't melt my phone. Let's try the lift and look again. Oh, I love that. I'm going to be using that a lot, I think. Whoa! I dropped the camera. So there you go. So on a 5 setting, on defrost, that's how brown the toast gets, and that's how brown the rye bread goes. But yeah, so on defrost we probably have it about 4. But that's it. That's what it looks like in action. That's the BREVILLE Impressions 4-slice toaster. So that's what you get in the box. Thanks again for watching, and if this video has helped you, why not click on subscribe or a thumbs up just to let me know, give me a wink, and thanks for visiting. Appreciate it. Bye.